This is our MaxxForce In-Frame, the DT Inline 6. So we had to pull the front engine mounts, get the picker, and lift the block up and get the oil pan out, clear the steering axle. One extra step. So we pull the wheels, just makes life easier. Heads off. So we strip the bare bones except piston liners. I'm going to pull them out. That's what we're going to be replacing. This one here has got a huge ring ridge. It's typical. Too much UGR getting into the intake and wearing this engine out to the point where it was blow by city. Crazy blow by. And we're going to replace the crankcase breather. Nice and easy to get at. Can only get them complete now with the housing. And so the price, of course, went up a couple $100. Doghouse is off. So that's essential as well. We've got easy access in and around the engine, both sides. Got parts spread all over the place here. Got the head off. We're going to inspect it, clean it up. Make sure it's healthy looking and good to go for another round. The big thing is the piston liners. Just worn out. And we're getting reman injectors. The EGR cooler has failed, or replace that as well. And of course the DPF. We're looking at an aftermarket. It's been pumped full of oil because of the blow-by. The oil, coolant, whatever gets in there, it plugs it up and it overheats and then it disintegrates. So it's an expensive proposition every time we in-frame one of these engines. We own it, like I've said before. We gotta fix it. We got 5-6 years left. Gotta run these buses. We got 10 of the DTs and 8 of the MaxxForce 7s. So we're gonna be head down, ass up for years to come. And we gotta fix them, put them back in service, get our money back, get her on the road, and so they pay for themselves.